Dear learners, from this video, you will be able to apply the provisions of HRA under the Income Tax Act in any given problem. And this is Dr. Lynette Cristilda, Professor in Commerce, Women's Christian College, Chennai. An employer may provide a certain sum or amount called allowance along with the salary to the employee. These allowances are given to meet the expenses incurred by the employee in the performance of his duties or otherwise. These allowances are categorized into three based on their tax treatment, that is, fully exempted allowances, fully taxable allowances, partially taxable allowances, or partially exempted allowances. And HRA is one allowance which can be classified into any of the above classifications as the case may be. HRA is fully taxable when employee lives in his own house or employee lives in a rented house but does not pay rent, or the rent paid does not exceed 10% of salary. HRA is fully exempted when received by judges of Supreme Court and High Court. In other cases, HRA is partially taxable and calculated in the following way. That is, taxable HRA is equal to actual HRA received minus exemption. In the table, you would see the provisions to ascertain the exempted HRA. We would be able to understand the provisions better with an example. The following are the information of Mr. M. Basic salary 20,000 per month, DA 20% farming retirement benefits 2,000 per month, HRA receipt 5,000 per month, actual rent paid 6,000 per month, commission rupees 2,000 per month. Compute the taxable HRA of Mr. M assuming he stays in Delhi, and compute the HRA if he stays in Pune and pays a rent of 2,000 per month. If Mr. M stays in Delhi, then the exempted HRA will be the least of the following. 50% of salary. Salary under HRA is basic salary plus DA forming part plus commission on turnover. Here, basic salary is 2,40,000 plus DA 20% enters into retirement benefit, and so DA forming part is only 4,800, and we do not add commission on turnover because the problem commission given is only commission and not on turnover. So salary adds up to 2,44,800. and 50% on that will be 1,22,400. The second one is actual HRA receipt, which is 5,000 per month, which sums up to 60,000 rupees. The third one, actual rent paid minus 10% salary. He pays 6,000 rupees per month as rent, which is 72,000 per annum. And 10% of salary will be 24,480. Thereby, we get 47,520. Now, the least will be 47,520, which will be deducted out of the actual amount. So, the taxable HRA is 12,480. Also, in the table, if he stays in Pune, we find that the exemption is nil. Hence, we can note that when the actual rent paid is less than 10% of salary, the HRA becomes fully taxable. And so the taxable HRA will be 60,000 rupees. Taxable. To sum up, we have learnt that HRA is fully taxable when an employee resides in his own house or he does not pay rent or the rent paid does not exceed 10% of salary. HRA is fully exempted when received by judges of Supreme Court and High Court. In other cases, HRA is partially taxable. I hope and believe that this video would be useful to you all. Thank you.